Install human hair boho crochet braids with me.
I've had this hair in since last week, but let's get into it and let's refresh this and finish the top. This is how it looks. It has a boho piece right here, another boho piece right here, and then at the end it has a boho piece. So it's about 14 inches, but it's longer with the curl at the end. So stick your needle through, hook it on, close it, pull it through, push the needle up, put the hair on that, close it, and push it through. Boom. That easy. You want to go in a downward motion because as you saw that was sticking up like that. So let's go in a downward motion. See, that sits better, but eventually it'll lay flat. Once you put mousse on it in your scarf, you'll be all good. You want to do 2 finger lengths apart. If you mess up, just close it and it'll slide right out. I keep going up, but it's better to go down. My braids are like a month old, but it's all good. I believe this comes with 8 packs and about 10 to 12 pieces of hair in each bundle. So it's plenty to do your whole head. I literally can do a whole head of crochet in like 30 minutes. It's so easy, y'all. I have 2 more packs left. Okay, so I just have these 2 rows left. And then I'm just gonna do my baby hair and I'll be done. This color is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm mad I waited till my braids got old to install them, but it still looks good. It still look it still look cute to me, honey. And you could put some mousse on your scarf. But look at the curls. It is human hair. It's very soft. Like I said, I had the back in for like a week or two. So to refresh that, just spray some Hawaiian silk and just do like some twist at night and put in your bonnet. Put a scarf, some mousse on top of your head, and in the morning, child, you good to go. I definitely have to run these back because it's so cute. This color down. You do. I ain't